doing some good swinging.
Hey, mister. No, where are you going? Where are you going, mister? You sit on one of those chairs?
Cheers.
Yeah. What's in there? Is that a basket? Want to show it to Mom? Oh, cool. You put it back on the table?
Got fish.
Put it back on the table. What else do you want to show Mom? You want to show Mom? Oh, that's nice too, huh?
Yeah.
Let's leave that there.
Beer.
And a bear is back there, yep.
Cake.
We shouldn't touch that bear though, because he's breakable. Let's go over here. You want to show Mom the tire swing? Where's the tire swing?
No, where?
Where's the tire swing? Do you know where it is?
Yeah.
Or do you want to show Mom the picnic table that we had lunch at today? Where's the picnic table we had lunch at? We want to go to the tire swing? What's up?
Daddy.
Daddy went to our cabin. You want to show Mommy the swing? Did you find a stick? Oh wow, that's a nice stick, huh? Oh, cool.
Tick.
That's a good stick, huh? Do you want to put the stick in the tire swing? What do you think? Where'd you find Woody? You want to put Woody in the swing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go do it. Okay, set him down. There you go. Oh, perfect. Are you going to push him? Help him swing. Oh, good job. Do you want Mommy to help you? Ready? Watch out. Watch out. Buddy. Oh, bonkers. Bonkers. Hey, you're okay. Come here. Get up. Get up. You're okay. I know you don't like to see rocks. Here. Let's push Woody, okay? Ready? We'll have him go this way. Be careful. Say go, Woody, go. Do you want to go get Woody? Okay, let's go get him. Buddy. Here. Here's Woody. Ah! Now what's going to happen? Phineas.